All right. You cannot work outdoors without protecting your arms. So I found these UV sun protection arm sleeves, and these are perfect. I was able to work outdoors and without any issues. I didn't have to worry about getting burned or maybe unprotected. So this is perfect if you guys are going to start working in the field or doing events or any kind of projects. This is perfect. All right, so if you're working outdoors like I am, I got short sleeves, and unfortunately, we don't want any of the bad UV rays to actually get you. So this actually protects you from sweat. It dries up very quick. Even if you just damp it up, you can use this as a damp tool. It dries pretty quick. Now, one of the best things I like about it, it protects you from 80% of the V rays. All right, the other percentage you're supposed to put sunscreen, sun blockers like hats and so forth, maybe to cover up your entire body. These are great for not just working out here and doing more labor work, but you could be driving, because when you drive, you normally drive in one direction. You don't want to get that tan that you don't require where one is darker than the other one. So if you are going to work outdoors, perfect. They have different colors on it. Now I choose the extra skin color. You can't even tell. This is perfect to also cover tattoos. If you have tattoos, it's a perfect way to actually cover things. So expandable, stretchable, easy to use. All right, so when you're driving, the sun is going to hit your hand. This is a perfect thing for it. So you could block some of the V rays when you're driving, especially if you're going down long distance. All right, so if you ever need some of this for long distance drives, and it keeps you nice and cool too also. And like I said, recovery with sweat is perfect. So if you guys are looking for something like that for driving, this could be it. The great thing about the sleeves that a woman and a man can use it, and you can use it for your workouts.